Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. So today I will continue again to discuss about my trade, which I'm done yesterday on the 26th of August 2022, and the result was a little bit bad because I got only 33% winning ratio. So it's mean I just profit once and lost two open position. So let's discuss from number one. Number one is getting lost. Okay, number one is getting lost. Why I'm losing loss in here? Because it's the wrong expectation of context. So in this kind of position, I just like reading the consolidation, because I see here a little bit of consolidation. But first of all, the trend is here was identified as ranging, but here it's like the uptrend, but it mostly ranging, because when I do the entry here, this candle, the big one, I just find this kind of situation when I see the uptrend and then the downtrend minor. So and then it's going to be consolidate, and the problem was I just entry in the end of the consolidation. Okay, so you see this candlestick, this is upper and lower shadow, and this is the resistance which I'm expecting to be the candle will be not close above this level. But what happening, the breakout happened, and then voila, okay, it's a big hit of the bullish candle. So that is the important thing in this kind of situation, because I see the downtrend and I see the consolidation here, and then my mind is like, okay, the consolidation process, because this is a doji, guys. You see, it's a doji, 4 doji, 1 2 3 4. If you combine this all, or doing some mix them, 4 candlestick is a doji, okay, and this was the shooting star, okay, this is the bearish shooting star, a doji, and then here was not so convinced, but that is strong actually, but I cannot interpret this candlestick as a strong one because of the context, and this is a little bit tricky for me to explain that, because the candle itself is not so strong, look like not so strong, because have upper and lower shadow, and then the doji, and it's also probably my expectation will happen a doji, but actually he getting breakout. And if you see also this candlestick, the previous of my entry, this candle is not even break this level, but the problem was this kind of reversal, okay, engulfing candle, need 2 candle retracement, and then the next 2 continuation, and then okay, this is a little bit risky, honestly. This is a risky part and the tricky part. And what I identify here, that that this resistance, this is the 76.4 based on the Fibonacci micro level, and this is just the wick of this significant doji, shooting star. This is most has to be strong, guys, first, second. And why this candlestick is so big? Because this trend is breaking a lot, or a strong wall, okay, that is causing the big candlestick happen. And of course the trend is up. Okay, this is a little bit up, and it's like the minor ranging down, minor ranging up. That is what I am not expecting here, because actually the major is ranging and the minor was the uptrend. Okay, so in the future we have to be careful when we see the major ranging, because the major ranging can making situation like this, which is a little bit manipulating here. Small candlestick bullish, but not closing even in the level. But maybe when it's close in the level, it will be bearish, because we also have a analysis that if the price has a gap, like a little gap here between the closing and this level, that means it also has a pulse or a chance to got break. Okay, it's like has a room, has a space to break, because it's like a momentum. When you break the wall, you need a space, and then you hit that. Okay, when you not have a space, that is a little bit difficult to do a pressure. So maybe that is the reason also in this kind of major ranging and minor uptrend. So that was number one, and let's do the number two. Again here, this is a little bit of impatient. I know that this is a little bit impatient, and here I enter here. The position, my position was here. Was the level of 14.6. So you know that if this 14.6, then above this level will be the round number here. The round number. Sorry, below is the round number. So this candle break also the round number, and the level here 14.6. It's hold 1, 2, and 4, 3 and 4 is breaking again. But here honestly I'm like what is called choosing a strong not so strong level, which is 14.6, to become resistance, become support in this kind of major it's kind of major uptrend. No, it's minor uptrend. Okay, but it also could be major, because this is the first impulse from this kind of consolidation impulse, and this is very risky. I have to wait until here, and then I should enter here, but for here is more reliable to do a call option. But at this kind of position, the chart is like doing some kind of consolidation. Okay, so this is a little bit bad. The entry the entry is good, because it should be using the support, and the opening was here, so we have a lot of gap. But the problem was the minor trend is not in our side. That's why the price also can be like this, making a fake breakout, because probably what I'm not realizing that below the 14.6, this is also the level, which is the round number that can be touched again. Okay, if I enter below the round number, it will be safe, but I just enter in the 14. That is not so nice. Okay, that is why, because the entry was against the minor trend. Okay, I'm starting back. I'm sorry, this is a little bit of problem. And this is the entry of the number 3, guys. So the number 3, it was correct reading the context, so I'll I'm correct when reading the context. The context was consolidation, but again, why in the consolidation? That is also not so clear for me, because it's like missing this. Okay, and well, that we can find out in the future, could be. Okay, this is the context of consolidation, guys. If you read this, because the price is trapped in the between strong trend, which is the 61.8 Fibonacci level, micro level. Okay, this is the bigger ratio, so the level is the level, no matter which one you expecting become the level. It's always the reaction happen in a small micro level or in the bigger level. So but for the expectation, maybe the bigger level is good to be observed too. So this was the consolidation. I know from this candlestick. Okay, this candle was inverted bullish hammer. You see the trend was up, and the thing that can happen after this was a buying pressure, but the buying pressure is not happening. It's happening like small, like this. This is 61.8 Fibonacci level. Then you know what happening here, that this kind of inverted bullish hammer will not work. Okay, and then the rest will be the bearish one, because what I also observing here, because when this the context of consolidation, and then here the three candles should be the doji, and that is the doji. You see, after the doji become a doji. Okay, doji. Okay, so that is how to identify the context of consolidation. The entry was good in the 61.8 Fibonacci level using the safe entry, but actually all of my trade here is safe entry, but due to the context wrong reading, I becoming get some losses here. Like here, this is the first one. Here was, I'm not reading the context so much, so nice, because okay, maybe I find here as a doji. Okay, and this is some kind of shooting star, and my expectation was the next candle will be a bearish one. Okay, after this 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4, here I'm targeting here as a bearish or a doji, but actually they blowing up, and it's makes something like big candle. Okay, so this is some kind of, in the 4 candle, this is also fake breakout. You see that we have we see if we want to observe the higher time frame. So here, this is the number 1 entry. So you see, I'm also can be expecting here as a resistance, but what happened? Bam, because of the ranging is a little bit up. Okay, this is the formation of the EMA, is also could be the formation of uptrend, so ranging minor uptrend. It will be bad to do a consolidation. Okay, especially put option here, because why? Okay, here is bad to do put. Why? Because this is the bottom of the, could be after the trend, this is on the support. Okay, and the different, the entry number 1 and number 3 was, was on the resistance. This condition was on the resistance, which is 61.8. okay, but that is the trade. Sometimes we have still learn, we have some mistake, and that's happening. So this is the result, guys, for the end of the the second of the week, at the second day. Okay, Friday, which is Friday. Now is Saturday, so I'm not doing a trade Saturday and Monday, and we start again on Monday, and it get back to the 25.69. Well, okay, this is not so important for you guys, but if you want to have this Excel sheet to get better learning, you can download it after this kind of experiment is done, which is need 30 days. Okay, 30 days to do some kind of save entry, and I also grade my entry here. Okay, this is important for me because the entry should be safe or using some support and resistance as a backup. But the result sometimes is not still working because the context was wrong. But I try to train myself also to do some good entry. So this is one is not so good. So that is the just for the feedback, and thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.